Alright guys, we're at the drift event right now. And a couple of the cars flying behind us. We're at the drift event. We'll give you guys some coverage of today's event. Let's get into it. How you doing? All right, so we're gonna get the layout of the track really quick for some warm first timers. This is Chris, the owner and operator of East Coast Drifting School. Kind enough to spend his free time to help noobs like us learn how to drift and have some fun. So this is the course here. Can you tell us a little bit about East Coast Drifting School?
I started teaching the second I learned how to drift.
Okay.
And my office up there was like, why are you doing this without charging people?
Yep.
And they convinced me to start the school.
Okay, sick.
About 5 years, almost 5 years now.
Oh, really? Wow.
All these white lines are painted for, we hosted a competition out here.
Uh-huh.
So we have all these nice little sight boxes for the outer zones,
okay.
inner clips. This is a fun layout. It's just a parking lot.
Uh-huh.
And you know, solo driving gets old kind of quick on this track, but
right.
Man, does our tandem's fun out here. Oh my god.
It looks fun. It's pretty long too.
6 corners?
Wow.
It's not bad.
So like when you look at it, you don't think it'd be too big, but this is plenty of practice time. You know, 1 lap, you'll be hopefully getting pretty comfortable out here.
I'd like to repave it. It's a little rough.
That's what we were saying. The pavement is a little bit scary.
It's definitely not great.
But it gets the job done for now.
Yeah.
You gotta do with what you got, considering a lot of tracks are getting shut down and there's not a lot of space to do this. What about the other track over on the other side of this? Yeah, that's, is that like more closed off or?
No, they just, Colin, Painter, everybody who's coming today just wanted the kart track.
Okay,
yeah.
Gotcha, sick.
Yeah, and this morning session wanted the kart track too, so. There's no, like Austin and the V8Z,
right?
He wanted to do both, and no one was here, so we just went over there, did 4 laps over there and came back.
Would you say this is more like the beginner setup here, and then the other one is more kind of, you know,
it's definitely, the other one's a little bit more advanced. Okay. It's not necessarily the track is harder.
Yeah.
A little bit less room for error there.
Right. It's more of like a, you know, stay on the track kind of deal. With this one, you can kind of spin off the edge and be okay.
There's nothing to really hit except for the pole.
Okay.
And then over there's a lot more to hit.
Yeah. No, it makes sense. So I guess we're gonna get started out here. Let's get some footage of these guys riding, and hopefully we'll jump in a car and get some passenger seat time. All right, first ride along. Here we go.
Oh heck yeah.
Dude, thank you, bro.
No problem, bro.
That was awesome.
It's insane.
Guys, that was nuts. Dude, I'm like, my head is like rattled. Crap, I think I'm addicted, bro. All right, it's obviously pretty loud here. I don't know if you guys can hear me very well, but everyone's ripping. The boys are getting... Oh my God. We do have to have our own car to come out here. And if you guys are wondering or interested, you would need your own car for the drift event. But pricing, I guess, varies a little bit here and there. If you want to come out for a 2-hour session, it'd be about $250. So I'm hoping that we can get a car pretty soon to bring out here. It would be a lot of fun. These guys are absolutely ripping. Hopefully you can hear me okay. I'll show you guys a little bit about my experience. First experience in a drift car. Fun. And we'll try to get some more media coverage for you guys. Just enjoy the day out here. So this is the pillar here. We're gonna go sit in the center and hopefully get some pretty sick shots. Oh, they come close here, huh? They come really close. Ooh, this is gonna be a sick shot. So I'm hoping that a couple of the rowdier cars are gonna come out right now. We're gonna get some sick shots. And we'll get some flybys for you guys. Hopefully it doesn't blow your eardrums out. Yo, this is insane. We're out here right in the middle with cars drifting behind us. This is super sick. Guys, you can come out here. This is part of East Coast Drift School. Getting rowdy. Part of East Coast Drift School. So you guys can hit him up on Instagram. It's going to be linked in the description if you want to come out and be a part of this. This is super cool. I'm hoping that, oh heck yeah, there you go. So this is the plan to bring you guys out here. Just a little sample, you know, and hopefully we can get you guys in. If you're not in the passenger seat, potentially in the driver's seat. So some seriously exciting plans coming soon for 2024. There we go. Gavin get the ride along. Heck yeah.
That's crazy, bro. Feels nothing like Forza.
Fun?
I'm getting a drift car.
On today's video. Thank you guys for tuning in to this shorter one, but I had a good time getting my first drift ride along. I've been to other drift events like that, but that was my first time actually being in a ride along. So shout out to I believe his name was Colton. I'm sorry, bro, my memory is so bad, but shout out to you, bro, for giving me a ride along in your G37, I think it was. That was super fun, and you were killing it for your first time. That was his first time out there. He's only been on a racing sim before that. So I hope to be able to get out there with one of my own drift cars pretty soon. I would love to see that happen in the new year. We will see where that goes. I'm kind of addicted that now that I had a ride along, and shout out to East Coast Drift School for having me out and allowing us to, you know, to be out on site and to capture some media coverage of today's event. And I hope to be out again soon, again with hopefully my own drift car, and hopefully with you guys coming out soon. Because we are definitely going to be including that event into our Smpl Motor Club, which is dropping very soon, if it didn't drop already. If it did, it'll be linked below to get entered. And if it didn't drop yet, then stay tuned for more information on that. Let me know in the comments what you think. Would you guys do a drift event like this? Or do you drift? Or, you know, what should I buy for a first drift car? I'm thinking like E36 maybe, possibly E46. You know, let me know what you guys think a good platform would be to start. I don't think I want to do like a 350Z, but I'm not too sure. I'm excited to hopefully jump into it next year. And let me know in the comments what you guys think. And I hope you enjoyed today's video just as much as I enjoyed filming it. Shout out again to my boys Zach and Gavin for coming out and helping to film, and also just spending the day out there. Those again are the guys that are helping me behind the scenes to build Smpl Motor Club. So I appreciate everything that they're doing to help me out with this and to further this brand so that we can do exciting things like today's event. So that's a wrap on today's episode. You know, a little bit more slower pace, slower key for the OGs. And I don't care that, you know, videos like this probably won't perform very well. I'm just trying to continue to post on this channel things that I want to post and things that I enjoy, and not let the numbers get to me, because I do want to have a consistent high, you know, number base for my channel. But again, I want to post what I want to post and have fun. I'm not trying to succumb to the algorithm on every single upload. It's definitely been, kind of the route of the channel, trying to do less uploads but higher quality, of course, but at the same time still posting candid videos like this. Just sharing my experiences. So stay tuned for Smpl Motor Club. You guys are gonna be able to get access to things like today's event, and we'll be able to share in those together. So super excited for the future. 2024 is gonna be, hopefully, 2024 will be our best year yet. Super excited to have you guys on board, and I hope you enjoyed today's video once again. So I will see you guys in the next one.